Good morning, it's MaryEllen after 60, and I'm here today to celebrate I am 65 years old. When this uploads, it's going to be past my birthday, but I've been on YouTube for 4 years and 5 months, so I have had 5 birthday videos. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this look in real time from start to finish. I very seldom do one that is from start to finish. I usually have my foundation on, but I'm just here to celebrate reaching 65, because you know what, there's a whole lot of people that don't get to live. I've known a lot of people that didn't get to live till they were 65, and they would love to be celebrating their birthday. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this Get Ready With Me if you want to watch it. Seems like I start different places, different days. But I'm going to start out using my Tarte lid lock eyelid primer, and a lot of you can get by without it, but I can't. And this is a little bit more opaque than what I usually use, but Tarte quit making my favorite. So I've tried a ton, and this works. I still do have a backup. They had them on their website some time ago. The one that I really liked before, I contacted the company and they wouldn't confirm or deny if it was new or if they just found some in stock, so I didn't buy any. Today I'm going to use the original Tarte lip palette, and I'll put a picture of it up here, and I'll just do like 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to use the top row. And I've been giving my new Eco Tool brushes that I have sent out to a lot of you. I've been using these exclusively for some time, and I'm really enjoying it. I still like my other brush, but these are really good. So I'm going to put the first color just all over my eyelids. And the next step is going to be mascara, and I never put on mascara without having a clean wand, because sometimes I need to comb through them and sometimes I don't. So I'm just going to open up, and I use the Superhero, and I like it a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I don't need to brush through those. Then I'm going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I haven't gone back into the container yet, into the tube, but I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara right there. And then the next step, I usually just put my navy eyeliner in my upper waterline. And I'll tell you when I'm finished if you don't want to watch this. I know it bothers some people, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm done. So I have navy up in my upper waterline. I have my mascara, and then I'm going to go with foundation. And today I'm going to use something I've had for a little while. It's from IT Cosmetics, and they gave this to me. And it's the Confidence in a Compact, and it is not a like a spongy. It has the foundation right here, and I believe this is light, but I will list that below. It's a serum foundation, and I like to use my fingers the best when I apply it. So I take my clean fingers and I just press in it, and then I just apply it all over my face. And what's nice about this, it does have the 50 SPF, and it's really nice to travel with because it's not considered a liquid. And I just dab it all over my face. And I always start in the middle. And my face is really shining because I just got done with my skincare. And I just go over that. And I really like my fingers to apply, with the exception of, I've started using a baby beauty blender. And I'm just going to put that in this foundation, and I'm going to use it as my under eye. And it works really well. I used to wear concealer all the time, and the older I got, the less I wear it. And I just put it there, and then I like to bounce this over it. And it's dry. And something else I like to do, I bought probably 2 years ago, I bought a bunch of the fake Artiste brushes, and any size will do. But what I like to do with my foundation is I just want to bring it a little bit into my hairline. I don't want to put a big glob, but I want it to blend. So I'll just take this around my face, and that's how I do that. I'm sorry about this shadow. It's kind of boring watching this. It's like kind of like drying paint. But I tell you what, I love to watch people put on makeup. It really relaxes me, and it just really, I just enjoy it. Something that I have talked about in the past, but I am not active on any social media with the exception of YouTube. I do go to Facebook occasionally to see my family, but I just can't do Facebook. I have Instagram and I have Twitter, but I just don't ever go there. My videos automatically upload to Twitter, but if you've ever sent me a message on any of those, I don't even know how to check my messages. And this is the NYX Slide On Glide On, and I usually don't wear a lip pencil, but I am going to today. And I just go, I don't go above my own line. Because today I'm going to be wearing more neutral colors, no vibrant colors. I just don't need a lot. So I'm going to use Kind. And this, I learned about this from Life with Lily. Her name's Sheila. And I watched one of her videos one time, and I said, I've got to know what lipstick you have on. So I'm going to be putting that on today. It's supposed to be a mauve, but on me, I think it is just a really good neutral color. And then it's by Tarte, and it comes with lip gloss on the other end. So that makes it nice, because I always like a little gloss on my lips. And before I start doing eyeshadow, I am just going to use the Ulta. It has a really tiny little thing on the end of it, and I've just been doing, if I do anything, I just do the outside right here. And I think I'm not sure what color this is. I may go here. I am just messing it up a little bit, but that's what I'm going to do today for my eyebrows. This product was also given to me by IT Cosmetics. They give me products. I give you guys a lot of products, and I've never been paid anything from IT Cosmetics. And this is the Je ne sais quoi Quad. And I'll tell you why I'm using it today. Kathy from Kathy's Beauty Care Chats, she loves the Bye Bye Pore Powder. And I have probably 3 of them in 3 different palettes. I've never purchased it, but I'm going to try it today all over my face instead of either the Ulta Mattifying Balm or the Mally Pore Defender. We'll see if it does okay with covering up my shine. But I've tried this, and it does a really good job of canceling out pores. And according to this, it's taking care of my shine except for right here. But I have no idea how it looks on camera till I'm done. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the bronzer. And how I use it, I like to use it in the middle of my forehead, on my cheeks. I don't use it as a contour. I use it as looks like I have a little bit of sun. But I do use it here. And that kind of hides that jowl that's coming quickly. It's already visited, but I just blend that down my neck. And I'm going to go in the other quarter of this pan, and I'm going to get a little bit of the highlighter, and I am just going to buff it on my cheeks. And I even go there. I really like to get most of it up here. But I don't know if you can see how that just kind of glistens, and I don't do that very often. And whatever's left, I just take it all over my face. And then I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put some of this highlighter on my lid. Just right in here. Whoops. And I'm going to take this angled brush that kind of goes to a point, and I'm going to go in number 2, the color number 2, and I'm just going to, this is going to be just a very basic look. I'm just going to work it back and forth, being careful not to stretch my lid. And I've always go like this. And I don't use a brow bone highlighter. But I do love this Tartelette palette. I'm going to take the flat, thinner brush, and I want to get some more of that, and I want to go right in here. In fact, I'm going to go to the third color next and put a little bit in there too. Because I think that diminishes that bag. And then I'm just going to work it into my crease. And I'm going to take that flat brush, I'm going to wipe it off on my color switch and just blend it. I forgot to bring my eyeliner out here, so I'm just going to go into the darkest brown and run this across my lids, if it's dark enough, right on top of my lashes, and I don't think it's going to be dark enough. I'm going to go down to the black, it looks like black, and just kind of go like this. Woo, I got it good there. If I make a mistake, I just kind of go up like that, and I kind of like the way that looks. That's a little bit dramatic, but you're 65, you can be dramatic. Young kids, a lot of times, they just think 65 is old. And I guess I used to too, but I don't think it is anymore. I am sorry, I'm not going to be able to reply to this video today because this is going to be a giveaway. As soon as I filmed this, Jim and I had an opportunity to travel a little bit, so that is going to be your good luck. And I will announce the winners of the Emily Wants palette and the Eco Tool brushes, the 2 winners, on my next video when I announce these winners. So today I'm going to be giving away 5 $50 e-gift cards or deposits to your PayPal account. It will just be wherever you want that. That's US dollars. And to be eligible to win, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel before it goes live. This is international, so you can live anywhere. And this will go up for 3 days. I will close it in 3 days. And the only thing I want you to say underneath this video, just in a sentence, please use the word weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R. And the reason I want you to not just say weather is because I want somebody to win that actually watches the video. Anyway, good luck, and I will tell you all about our little trip when we get back. Jim and I are going out to eat today for an early, we do a late lunch is what we really like to do. I just wanted to film this and thank you all for all your support that you have given me. It truly does amaze me. So I want to say it is all good. It is all very good. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you all so much and take care. To be so and they said it wasn't. No, they didn't. They said I have